Good morning to one and all. Now we are going to see about Angiosperm phylogeny group, APG classification. The most recent classification of flowering plants based on phylogenetic data was set in the last decade of 20th century. Then APG classification, they include the four versions of APG classification: APG1, APG2, APG3 and APG4. The four classifications have been published in the year 1998, 2003, 2009 and 2016 respectively. Each version supplements the previous version. The recognition of monophyletic group based on the information received from various disciplines such as growth, morphology, anatomy, embryology, palynology, karyology, phytochemistry and more strongly on molecular data with respect to DNA sequences. Then for morphology means the study of external characters. Anatomy, the study of internal characters. Embryology, the study of embryos and functions. Palynology, the study of pollen grains. Karyology, the study and function of nucleus. The phytochemistry, the study of plant product. And more strongly on molecular data with respect to DNA sequence of two chloroplast gene. First one ATP-B and RBCL, and one nuclear gene, the nuclear ribosomal 18S DNA. Then the most recent updated version APG4 classification in the year 2016. The APG4 classification, they recognized 64 order and 416 families. Of these 416 families, 259 are represented in India. The outline of APG4 classification. The angiosperm are classified into three clades. First one early angiosperm, monocot and eudicot. Then the early angiosperm are classified into 8 order and 26 families. The early angiosperms, they include the ANA grade and macroliths and chloranthales. The ANA grade means the amphorales, nymphaeals and astrophaliales. Second one monocot. The monocot is divided into two families. First one Musaceae and Liliaceae. Musaceae for example Musa paradisica, banana. Then Liliaceae for example Allium sativum, Allium cepa, etc. Then eudicot. The eudicots are divided into 45 order and 33 families. The eudicot is divided into early diverging eudicot. Second one, the super roseates and super astrates. The early diverging eudicot is divided into first one eudicot ceratophyllales, second one ranunculales, next one proteales, the tarcotendrales, buxales, then canales and diliales. Then super roseates is divided into saxifragales and roseates. The rosids is divided into two family, the Fabaceae and Euphorbiaceae. Fabaceae, for example, Clitoria ternacia, Pisum sativum. The Euphorbiaceae, for example, Ricinus communis. Ricinus communis, the common name, castor. Then Eudicot, third one division, the super astrates is divided into the Perbidopsidales, Santellales, then Caryopillales. Next one, astrids. The astrids is divided into two families. First one, Apocynaceae and Solanaceae. Apocynaceae, for example, Calotropis. Then Solanaceae, for example, Solanum, Peperosum and tomato, etc. Then the ANA grade in early angiosperms, ANA grade, ambrales, nymphaeals and astropaliales. Then include the macnolids and chloranthales. Now see the characters of early angiosperm. The seeds always with two cotyledons. The presence of the ethyl oils. Leaves are always simple net vein. The each floral whorls with many parts. Then perianth. Perianth means undifferentiated sepals and petals is called perianth. The perianth usually spirally arranged or pods in threes. The stamens with broad filament. The stamens with broad filament. Filament in the stalk of the anther. Then stamens, the male reproductive organs. Then anther tetrasporangiate. Tetra means the anther, the four sporangiate. Then the pollen monosulcate. The pollen grains only one locule. The pollen monosulcate. The nectaries are rare. Then carpels usually free. Embryo is the early angiosperm is a very small. Then early branching angiosperm is divided into ANA grade. Then rest of the angiosperm, Triminaceae and Astropalaceae. Then ambrales. Second one, Nymphaeaceae and Ambrolaceae. Then comparison of monocot and eudicot. The common, the monocot, the only one cotyledons. Eudicot, two cotyledons. Floral pods in threes. Floral pods in 4 or 5. Petals or sepals present in the 5. Then parallel leaf venation. The monocot parallel venation. The dicot reticulate venation. The pollen grains as 1 pore. The pollen grains has 3 pore. Then vascular bundles throughout the stem crown tissue. The stem vascular bundle arranged in a ring-like structure. Then now see about monocot characters of monocot divided into 11 order and 77 families. Seeds with single cotyledons, primary root short-lived, single adaxial propyle. The perianth often composed of tepals. Tepals mean the each member of perianth is called tepals. The pollen monosulcate. The styles normally hollow. Then now see the eudicot. The eudicot are divided into 45 order and 33 families. The characters of eudicots. The seeds with always two cotyledons. The nodes trilacunar with 3 leaf trays. The stomata anomocytic. The anomocytic means the stomata is surrounded by the substory cells. Then the ethernal oils rarely present. The woody or herbaceous plant. The eudicot, the plant, woody or herbaceous. Herbaceous means the small herb plants. The leaves simple or compound, usually net vein. The flower pods mostly in 2, 4 or 5s. The microsporogenesis simultaneous. The style arrangement of solid. The pollen tricolpate. Then the APG system is an evolving system that might undergo change periodically based on the new set of data from various disciplines of botany. It is currently accepted system across the world and followed all the leading taxonomic institutions and practicing taxonomists. Then classification, they reflect the state of our knowledge at a given point of time. It will continue to change as we acquire new information.